Time to give this machine a test on part 3 of this assembly series. I secured a piece of cardboard to the wasteboard using some blue tape. I plugged the machine into the computer and went ahead and powered it on. Using carbide motion, I connected to the CNC, then initialized the machine, which begins the first homing process. The back right corner is considered the home location, and it finds it using the limit switches that we installed earlier. You'll want to jog the machine to the front left corner and set your X and Y 0 there. Then you'll adjust the pen over the cardboard and set your Z0 so the pen just touches the material. Download the Hello World file from the Carbide 3D website and load it into the program and just click Run. It will now move, creating the design. I accidentally set the Z0 a little bit too low and mashed the tip of the pen. This ended up blowing out part of the design, and by the end of it, it missed part of the letters, but that's alright. This absolutely served the test that we wanted it to. It proves the machine works, and that's the entire goal of it. Overall, the assembly process was relatively easy. Had I actually done it all the way through, it would have taken about 6 hours or so to do, which is not bad at all. We're really excited to show you what can be made with this relatively cheap CNC machine. It's definitely something that a lot of people can afford, and we're really looking to show that it doesn't take a really expensive machine to get into this and make cool stuff. Be sure to follow along with us as we continue this series and show you what can be done with a machine like this. We hope you guys enjoyed the series, and we'll catch you guys back out here in the next one.